All right, my lovelies, here I go again for my post-market wrap-up on this lovely day. And it was lovely. We're going to cover why it was lovely, and we're going to talk about a few other things as well. Tuesday, September 25th, 2018. Number one, why was today lovely? Well, I got my wish again. So far this week, everything I've wished for thus far has happened. I explained on Sunday when I did my markets a look ahead segment. I wanted the market to sell off on Monday, maybe even through till Tuesday. Well, that's exactly what has happened here. We had to give some of this back, no doubt about it. Nothing dramatic happened today. Actually, the NASDAQ finished up fractionally higher, but the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P 500, did suffer small losses. Okay, I'm happy. Now, to make me even more happy, what I would like to see, seriously, and I believe this is the most likely scenario right now. The rest of this week, I can only imagine what's going to happen if I'm wrong here. The trolls are going to attack me everywhere. I want to see this market now turn around and rebound starting tomorrow. We are going to hear from the lovely, really lovely, Federal Reserve tomorrow regarding monetary policy. I believe, and I have been explaining now for a while, we're going to get a rate hike, 25 basis points to the federal funds rate. This is priced into the market, in my opinion, which means when we get this and we hear whatever comes out of the mouth of the Federal Reserve, stocks should respond in a positive way. Now, with that said, let's talk about the bond market and the dollar today. Earlier, I explained to you we were seeing a couple of things go on. The yields, 10-year yield climbing. We are at 3.09. We actually crossed into 3.1 something earlier today. The dollar was weaker earlier. However, the dollar did finish the day higher. I think some of this was because of President Trump's talk earlier today before the UN. We'll see how that plays out. We do not want to see the dollar get stronger, and we do not want to see the 10-year yield rise meaningfully higher with the dollar in tandem higher. We don't want to see that. We really kind of don't care all that much with the 10-year yield moving a little bit higher here, as long as the dollar stays weak. That's the key here, people. That is the key. You all know that. Let's talk about a few other things. Silver put on a nice gain today. Gold, not so much. Cryptocurrencies got hit across the board. Okay, we'll see how that plays out moving forward as well. For me, from where I am sitting right here, again, what I am hoping for, and I believe is the most likely scenario for the rest of the week, is a rebound. Could I be wrong on this? Beyond any doubt, I could be wrong on this. But I'm just telling you what I would like to see, what I think is the most likely unfolding moving forward here. Now, I have 4 lovely credit spreads open. I added 2 over the last 2 days with this sell-off. Apple and Electronic Arts, both on the long end here. I'm still holding Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley, also on the long end. Those two, the banks, expire Friday. And unless there's a disaster in this market, these are going to be profitable, the banks, which expire. The other two don't expire till next Friday. I plan on adding more lovely credit spreads tomorrow, and probably the day after that. We'll see. I'll talk about it. Anyway, with that said, you know exactly where to look. I am certain that you, my lovely friends, are going to be listening to, I would imagine, the vomitous rhetoric that's going to come out of our Fed tomorrow. Let me just highlight that real quick. They're going to say our economy is really carrying on. Just it's so strong. However, they can't really normalize rates yet. Can't do it. They can only hike 25 basis points because this is as good as it gets, So they still have to maintain the abnormal monetary policy. Their words, not mine. It's just such a joke. Really, I think what you might want to do is, I don't know, call up CNBC tomorrow, laugh into the phone. Just don't even say a word. Just start laughing. Whenever they pick up or whatever, or leave a recording of just laughter. I think that would be awesome if we all banded together tomorrow, called CNBC, and just laugh. Leave messages laughing into the phone. I don't know. That might raise a few eyebrows. Anyway, lovely friends of mine, I will see you in the morning. It's going to be just a great day. A super great day. And I hope I don't blow my stock off at the end of the day. Trying to stay calm here and relaxed, composed. See you in the morning.